Sometimes it's obvious when pets hurt, but other times they are really good at hiding their pain. Unlike Meg, who is ejected from Disney World again.
They were all robots!
And now, the vet who makes Dr. Dolittle look like Dr. Know-Nothing, Dr. Andy Roark.
People get really upset if they come in to see me for an annual examination with their pet, and I have to tell them that their pet is in pain. Often, they miss the subtle signs at home. Let's make sure this doesn't happen to you and your pet.
I take my pets to a witch doctor when they're in pain.
I thought you took your pets to Andy.
I do.
Here are the secret signs that pet owners often miss. If your dog or cat's hair coat is greasier or messier than usual, it may be because they've stopped grooming. We need to ask ourselves why. Often, it's because they're experiencing pain, either in their back or their neck, and it hurts them to groom, so they're not doing it. People tell me all the time that their dog has gotten grumpy in his old age. I guess he does things like bark at the squirrels to stay out of his yard, or play checkers at the dog park, or watch Fox News. No, it's the news with real live foxes. They love it. Seriously, sometimes older dogs and cats just don't have the patience that they used to. However, pets that are becoming grumpy or aggressive often are uncomfortable. They cower, growl, or snap because they either hurt or they're worried about being hurt. If you had a painful back and someone, whether a human or a dog, sat on you, you'd probably hurt as well.
I sat on my hamster's back one time.
Shallow, rapid breathing is one of the main signs of pain that I look for in my patients. It can even progress all the way up to panting.
I guess pet health inspired a lot of songs by R. Kelly.
Most pet owners think that panting means their pet is hot or tired. This isn't always true. I, however, am always hot and usually tired. If your dog is panting or breathing quickly at times that don't make sense, he could be in pain. Rapid, shallow breathing is also a sign of pain in cats. However, if your cat is panting, grab him and go to the vet right now. Panting in cats is bad news. If your dog used to jump up onto the bed and has stopped, or if he used to follow you up and down the stairs and doesn't do that anymore, that makes me suspicious of arthritis or other possibly painful processes.
I stopped walking up the stairs years ago.
I really wish you would stop making me carry you up the stairs.
The same thing is true if your cat stops jumping up on the countertops, climbing the cat condo, or generally getting around like he used to. There are lots of reasons that pets lick or chew spots on their bodies. One of the main ones is pain. If your pet is always licking one spot, especially if it's a joint or an area that's been wounded, there's a good chance that it hurts. Pets that get up and down and circle and just can't get comfortable and settle may be hurting. I hear people say all the time, oh, he's old and he doesn't sleep so well anymore. Often these pets are old and thin, and so there's not a lot of padding on their bones, and it's uncomfortable for them to lay around. If you have an old pet that just can't get comfortable, we need to make sure he's got a bed that's soft, supportive, and full of padding. If he still can't get comfortable, we need to look a little deeper. Some pets just don't want to be picked up, and I get that.
I don't want to be picked up.
Well, how do we get you to move?
Use your words.
If your pet used to be fine being picked up, and now he cowers, runs, cries, or bites when you reach for him, I'd make sure he's not in pain. Older pets can have house training accidents. Sometimes it's just a slip, but other times it's painful for them to get up and move around. Also, I see pets with back pain that are struggling to get into the right posture to go. In dogs, this can lead to constipation. In cats, it can lead to spraying outside the litter box.
What causes them to spread litter everywhere outside the box?
Aliens. Thank you so much for watching. Please help me to help pets by sharing this video with other pet lovers and by telling me what topics you'd like to see covered on the Cone of Shame in the comment section below. Until next time, let's be the people that our pets deserve.